Why Does My Fireplace Smoke? By Hearth Products Association. What is it about the warmth and glow of firelight? There's an instinctive attraction to the flickering flames that's embedded in our hearts. Fireplaces add warmth, comfort, and ambiance to any part of your home, giving you and your family a place to relax and enjoy a quiet moment. Today, this magic of an open wood fire is a part of millions of households across America. But if you have a fireplace that smokes, it can be frustrating and sometimes dangerous. It's important that you resolve this problem. A specialty retailer can help you with the solutions. The reason why a fireplace smokes is not always obvious, because your fireplace works in conjunction with the rest of your house. Other aspects of your home can cause a fireplace to smoke. There may, in fact, be nothing wrong with your fireplace. In the next few minutes, we'll help you to understand some of the main reasons why a fireplace smokes. We hope one of these reasons will shed light on why you are having problems with your fireplace. First, let's start with the basics. Hot smoke rises because it's lighter than cool room air. With the fireplace in your home, the hot smoke rising up the chimney should pull air from the room into the fireplace. But for this to happen, the hot smoke has to be able to get up the chimney, and air from outside the room has to be available to replace the air going into the fireplace. The first thing to do is make sure that your fireplace and chimney are in good working order, and the smoke has a clear passage to get up the chimney. Check the damper and make sure it's in the full open position. Next, look up the chimney and see that any debris, such as an animal nest or leaves, doesn't block it. You should also have your chimney professionally inspected and cleaned once a year. This will ensure that it's in good working order and clear of any debris. The best time to have your chimney checked is in the fall, before you start to use the fireplace. So, we know that the fireplace and chimney are in good working order, and the damper is open. Now, we need to look at other aspects of your house that may be causing your fireplace to smoke. There are 4 main reasons why a fireplace smokes. 1. Cold exterior chimneys. 2. House stack effect. 3. Air movement equipment, such as exhaust fans and furnaces. And 4. Wind. To show you what we mean, we'll use a model home developed to visualize each situation. This plexiglass model contains fireplaces that produce smoke, air movement equipment such as fans and furnaces, and airflow indicators that show the direction of air movement in and out of the house. Let's look at the 4 main reasons a fireplace smokes. Cold exterior chimney. Cold air that's in an exterior chimney before a fire is started can cause a blockage, similar to having your damper closed, particularly in colder climates when the outside temperatures fall below freezing for long periods of time. Once an exterior chimney has gotten cold, it may be difficult to get the hot air to force the cold column of air out to allow the smoke to escape. Instead, the smoke from the fire spills into the house, particularly when you start up the fire, and also when the fire dies down. Chimneys that are inside the heated area of the house do not experience these problems. House stack effect. The house itself can act like a chimney, with warm air rising up inside it and leaving the house on the upper floor. Simply put, the house acts as a chimney. This is called house stack effect. The same amount of air that rises up and out of the house has to be replaced by air coming into the house. If there's too much air rising through the house and there's not enough air coming in, then air can come down the chimney, causing the fireplace to smoke. Different features in a house can make this more likely to occur. Cathedral ceilings, recessed lighting, a house taller than the chimney, leaky attic hatchways, or an open window upstairs are a few examples. Air movement equipment. As mentioned earlier, if air is taken out of the house, it must be replaced by air entering the house. Air movement equipment such as kitchen exhaust fans, clothes dryers, and bathroom exhaust fans all take air out of the house. If your house is tightly constructed, these fans could be causing your fireplace to smoke, because air coming down the chimney is replacing the air leaving through the exhaust fans. Another less obvious appliance that may cause your fireplace to smoke is the air handling system connected to your furnace or air conditioner. Some homes are constructed with a main return air grill in the same room as the fireplace. When doors to other areas of the house are closed, the system is put out of balance, causing a negative pressure in the room where the fireplace is located. This negative pressure, combined with a fire dying down at the end of an evening, can be the cause of a fireplace spilling. Wind. Wind can also cause a fireplace to spill. A wind problem can be difficult to diagnose because of the constantly changing direction and strength of the wind. The shape of your house and surroundings also plays a role. If your chimney top is lower than a surrounding object like a hillside, roof, or trees, the wind may be blowing down on the top of the chimney, forcing smoke back into your house. A chimney without a rain cap is particularly vulnerable to the effects of wind. Wind can also create a vacuum or negative pressure effect on the downwind or leeward side of the house, causing your fireplace to smoke. We have covered the 4 main reasons why a fireplace smokes: cold exterior chimney, house stack effect, air movement equipment, and wind. There are many solutions. Every house is different and will require its own particular solution. Your local hearth specialty retailer is the expert on the operation of fireplaces. He or she will help you identify your specific problem and provide you with a solution. Then you'll be able to enjoy the warmth and comfort of your fireplace for years to come.